And because Justin's here already, I think we can continue with our performance. Justin, you want to introduce the next song?
Yes, for our next song.
Pwede ba sabay-sabay tayo?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ayusin mo, Pablo?
Right, left, and then right. Left, and then left. What's the first step?
Can you sing Mapa? Is it okay? The Indonesian one? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Can we hear Mapa chorus in 3, 2, 1, go? Pahinga muna.
Galing.
Thank you so much, 18. Kami na lang yung manonood. Kayo na lang yung mag-concert, please.
Thank you so much, 18. And because Justin's here already, I think we can continue with our performance. Justin, you want to introduce the next song?
Yes, for our next song. It's hard for me to speak. Okay. For our next song, actually, this is exactly for Sydney because our parents. Just like a plant.
Just like
We're like plants.
plants. Okay.
Yes. They raise us. They plant us and then they help us grow. Okay. So you, Sydney, Tita Maylin. Okay.
Kaya siya pumunta ng backstage, nag-isip siya ng joke.
Okay, so I hope guys, our next song is for all the parents and the guardians here. So this one's for you. This one's called Mapa.
We want to thank everyone who's here tonight for spending the rest of the night with us. This night is very special for us since this is our first time to perform here, and we're very happy that we're here, of course, and with our team, with W3 and W1Z family. We're very happy to perform here, and we hope that you're very happy to see us too. Thank you so much, and yeah, please do enjoy the rest of the performance, okay? No, thank you. We love you guys so much, and again, thank you so much. And yeah, I think. Oh, do you want to say something?
Something.
You want to say what?
What? No, we're just very thankful that all of you are singing and you guys showed us how to actually enjoy this night with you. We are enjoying our time here and we are just grateful to everyone who are putting the lights up and non-stop actually doing our request. Thank you. I hope you guys are not tired yet. No? Because we are. No, just kidding. Of course for you, for every one of you, and we'll never get tired. But for now, we just want to dedicate.
Ano ba?
You good? You good with the order? Hiniling daw.
One quart?
Five
One quart?
Show sa giniling, Pablo.
Walang budget eh, one quart lang. Pagkasyahin mo na.
Sabay-sabay na lang tayo. Let's do it together.
Okay.
The giniling.
Okay.
She's ordering giniling, so let's do it together.
Let's start.
Let's start with Ken.
Let's do it together.
Do it together. Do it together. Alright. 5, 6.
Pwede ba sabay-sabay tayo?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ayusin mo, Pablo?
Right, left, and then right. Left, and then left. What's the first step? Dito.
Ay, sabay. Wait lang, practice tayo.
Practice it.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. Baby, you're the one who wants
you, baby, baby, I want you, baby, Okay?
Okay, okay na?
Okay, sabi sa inyo, one part lang.
Okay.
Sensya
Anyway.
na, hindi po kami nagsabay-sabay. Medyo nakakagulat pa yung order mo eh. Giniling.
Anyway, 18, Sydney, thank you so much for coming here today. And we just had a show yesterday, and then like we flew, like, you know, lipad agad kami papunta dito to have another show. And like, I know that some of you guys came from Melbourne, and then nanood pa kayo dito. Like, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And of course, not just from 18 from Melbourne, but of course from other countries as well, or from Philippines. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta and showing support. And yeah, for our next performance, I just want to tell you a little story about this song. So 2 years ago, we had a collaboration song with such an amazing artist. His name is Jake. And I'm pretty sure that you guys know this song. So if you guys know the words, you are very welcome to sing along with us. Huwag kayong mahiya. Si Pablo lang yan. Kung mali yung tono nyo, okay lang yan. Sabayan nyo kami. Ang importante yung message ng kanta, right? We're just lovers, sitting in the car, listening to Blanc, forever I try to
Ignore sky from the